Yo, what's up everyone? Wanted to give you a quick little review of Paliton Beach. I've been here all morning filming some vlogs. I got here like around 8:30. There was nobody out here. And the cool thing is this is like a locals beach because I don't really like dealing with the resorts. There's plenty of resorts here, but why deal with the pricing and the headaches if we can just go to a locals beach? And I'll give you a quick little tour, and then I'm gonna do a quick drone video so you can see it from drone. But what's cool is they have a ton of like picnic tables, so you can get your own little spot. And I'll show you here as I'm walking by. Let me see if I can get it clearly in there. They have all these vendors that you can buy your stuff at. So drinks, snacks, food, and I'm sure it's gonna be like local price. So you know, if you're on a budget or whatever and want to spend a day at the beach, it's gonna be way less than going to a resort. There's so many vendors here. Like, you can make a complete day of this easily. Oh, and there's a parking lot too, so if you come down with your own vehicle, a lot of people are on like motorbikes, but I mean, I brought my car and I was able to park my car like no problem. Like, look at all these vendors. There's probably, if I had to guess, like maybe 25 vendors here. Everything, coconuts, little trinkets, little like, or if you want to buy like stuff for your kids to float on the water. Here, like, I'll show you the beach. But like, look at all these vendors. Let me go faster. So yeah, complete day. Just come out here with your towel and a couple bucks in your pocket. I'll show you the parking lot so you know where you start out at, and then I'll throw up some drone video right behind this. But yeah, excellent beach. Kind of wish I would have found this sooner, because everyone talks about the resorts here, but I don't really like going to resorts. If it's the last, like a resort is my last option. I'd rather go to a public, like a locals beach. So here's the parking lot. Let me see, there's my Jimny right there. So yeah, great spot. Hey, say hello to YouTube, guys. Hello. Hi. So was it Paliton? Paliton Beach. Paliton Beach. So I'm gonna throw up some. Everyone's very friendly here. I'm gonna throw up some drone video so you can see the beach from the water side. And if you want to come to a cool place, remember Paliton Beach. You should be able to find it on Google Maps. That's how I found it. And yeah, post any comments, questions. I'll try to help you out in the below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.